Have you heard about the new Super K flu? A new influenza strain, officially H3N2 subclade K, is causing some major outbreaks across the globe. It's highly transmissible, which means it spreads really easily from person to person. Because of this, hospitals and public health systems are feeling the pressure, with record numbers of flu cases being reported. It's a serious reminder that the flu is more than just a bad cold. But here's the good news. While this strain is spreading fast, health officials say that current flu vaccines still offer crucial protection. They might not always stop you from getting sick, but they are very effective at preventing severe illness, hospitalization, and worse. So, the best thing you can do to protect yourself and those around you is to get your annual flu shot. Stay informed, stay safe, and let's get through this flu season together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.